Hi, welcome back. So now we'll in this video we'll be increasing the volume for our EC2 instance. Let's create EC2 instance and then try to increase the volume from 8 GB. 8 GB is the default storage which AWS gives. Let's increase it to 20 GB and without stopping the machine. Let's increase the root volume. Let's see how we can do it. Let's create the instance for first. Let's take it T2 medium. Let's keep it to T2 micro itself. Let's see. We can take it T2 micro itself, and we can use key as testing dev one. That's the default key which I have in my system. Let's take the VPC. You can use default also if required. And existing, I have created a security group here, so let's use that. Or you can use existing also. You can create a new security group rule also. Let's create the instance. Once instance is created, let's try to connect it. Let's take the key. Let's try to connect it. Still the node is not up. It is up. So let's try to connect it. Is connected, right? Is connected. Let's check the disks. Root disk is 8 GB. Let's make it 20 now in console. Let's increase it without. I'll not stop the instance. I'll keep the instance running and let's modify it. Is modified to 20 GB. Now let's check in this. It came as 20, right? But still there are certain things we need to do. We have to use grow part to match the partition. You have to increase this XVDA1. So let's do. That is the root, right? So yeah, so we have to increase the root partition. So XVDA1. It got added, yeah. So now this partition is increased to 20 GB now. After that, we have to resize the file system. Let's resize it. Sudo. There's a command for that. Resize ss to fs tab xvda1. Let's check the disk size, df-h. Yeah, now it has increased, right? So without shutting down the system, we have increased it. So that's how it is. We've used three commands. What were the three commands which we used? So we used three commands. These three commands to check the disks and to increase that root disk to 20 GB. We increase the root disk to 20 GB now. That's all. That's what I wanted to cover in this video. Yeah, so that's all. Don't forget to delete the instance. So let's delete the instance as well. Once the testing is completed, then don't forget to delete the instance, because if it is not free tier, then it will be available. So it is better to delete it once the experiment is done.